Hey guys, welcome back to another video here in African Programmer. And yes, as I did the previous video and I spoke about how to code here in Africa, that is how to learn how to code. And today's video I'm going to be talking about what to choose, like the coding programming language to choose here in Africa. Yeah, because talking about programming language, we know that programming language are those languages whereby we use in creating functionality and making apps, making web pages, and they are of different types. There are a lot. There are like 700 plus, and you cannot just bounce into it and say that you want to learn all at once just to become a programmer. No, you got to stick to one choice and learn it as said in the previous video. So today I'm going to be talking about just 3 programming languages which you could choose only one. Yeah, and they are JavaScript, PHP and C++. That's what I'm going to be talking about. So let's bounce into the first one, which is JavaScript. Well, with JavaScript, yeah, it has become like a staple. Like, there's no programmer that has heard of JavaScript. Yeah, almost everyone has heard of JavaScript. So it's kind of popular, you know. And yes, it has also highly evolved into much more understanding and a highly featured web development, yeah, and applications, and so a lot of use using the JavaScript. And yes, it runs directly in almost as many as browsers that you could think of. Yeah, the JavaScript runs as many that you could think of, almost all, you know, almost all. JavaScript really runs through them. And also with that, most applications are also supported and run using JavaScript. Almost a lot of applications do run using JavaScript. Yeah. So understanding how JavaScript works and how web development also works, you are good to go. And when, let's say, you are kind of experienced in it, you've started work, yeah, you can go for an interview and you just started, because JavaScript is just easy to learn, and it's more job creative. It brings more opportunity when you choose JavaScript. Okay, we are going to be talking about the second programming language, which is PHP, that you could choose. And yes, PHP is quite popular. Yeah, and you might not know it. PHP is quite popular. And when you dig through it, like you try to go into it a lot, you know that PHP is quite popular. And yeah, PHP, that's the hypertext preprocessor. And it creates dynamic page content. And with a PHP, it is mostly suited with web development, applications, and so much. To talk of e-commerce application, we'll be talking of PHP. The functions are great. And with the PHP, it's actually a friendly language with the ability to easily connect with so many database softwares. Yeah. You can connect with them. So when you think of social networking and so, then thinking of PHP, you know, if you are a mastery in PHP, you are easily to get any job of your choice. And finally, we are going to be talking, that is for now, we are going to be talking about C++. And you could also choose C++ because with this, it has a good high performing functionality, and also it makes you feel like a boss. Yeah, because you are in control of the functions and so much. You're just in control of the code, you know. C++ is really great, and it's mostly used in game development, in operating systems, in desktop applications. Like C++, it's really cool, you know. You could make graphical applications with it. It also supports different ways of programming and so on, like different or entirely altogether using C++. The ease of using PHP allows code reusability and grants an ease of using it and making it reliable. And the great advantage of C++ is that it's efficient, it's fast, and it can be easily learned using different platforms or different ways. So C++ is more recommendable, you know, because it's the future. Yeah, when you are good at C++, you can be employed in higher firms. You can even start up your own corporate firm because C++ is G. So good luck choosing any of these languages here in Africa: JavaScript, PhP, or C++, and make sure choose only one and kindly master it so that you don't get confused, but rather when you get experience in one, you can migrate to the other end. That's it. So well, that's it for now. And in this video, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and click the bell notification because I will be posting another video again for this. And peace guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.